In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to composite a foreground over a background using a merge node. We're going to take a clean background plate and place a foreground element on top using its alpha channel to create a proper cutout. This is a core compositing workflow and will set you up for clean, controllable results in any node-based compositor. Start by importing your background plate. This is the image or sequence that will sit behind everything else. Make sure you're bringing in the highest quality version you have and try to match frame rate and resolution with your scene so playback and scaling are consistent. If the background is a sequence, confirm it's reading the full frame range and caching smoothly. Next, import your foreground footage. This should be your subject or element that already has transparency, either from a key or a pre-multiplied file with an embedded alpha. Keep your file names organized and verify that the clip starts and ends where you expect, so timing lines up with the background. Before compositing, check the alpha channel on the foreground, switch your viewer to display the alpha, and look for solid white where the subject is opaque, solid black where it should be fully transparent, and clean gray gradients along soft edges like hair or motion blur. If you see unintended holes or fringing, take note, you'll want to address those upstream. Also confirm whether the clip is pre-multiplied and that your software is interpreting it correctly. Add a merge node to your node graph. This node combines two inputs, the foreground and the background. Connect the background plate to the B input, since B is the bottom layer, and connect the foreground to the A input, since A is the layer that goes on top. Set the merge operation to over. Over is the standard operation that places A over B while respecting the alpha. It ensures the subject sits naturally on the background without unintended dark halos or additive brightenings you might see with other operations. If the foreground doesn't line up perfectly, adjust transforms as needed. Use translate, scale, and rotate to place your subject convincingly into the scene. Pay attention to horizon lines, eye level, and relative size. Small tweaks can make a big difference in believability. Finally, preview the result in your viewer. Pipe the merge output to the viewer, zoom in on edges, and play through to check motion. Look for clean composites, consistent edges, and smooth transparency. If everything looks right, you've completed a solid A over B composite using